Okay, so real talk. You don't gotta be some tech genius to actually make money with AI these days. Like zero coding, zero data science stuff. Let me break it down real quick. Here's the thing people don't get. AI just squishes time. Something that used to take a pro like 10 hours, now takes 1 or even less. So if you can deliver that output, clients will pay you for it. They don't care how long it took, they're paying for the results. So what's the fastest way in? Freelance writing. Businesses are constantly needing blog posts, emails, product descriptions, all of that. You can use Claude or chatgpt to knock out a solid draft. You clean it up and you send it. Done. You can use companies like Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn. Clients are literally everywhere. It's up to you to go and find them. Or, and this is one that's kind of slept on, video repurposing. You take someone's long YouTube video, throw it into a tool like Opus Clip, and it spits out like 10 short form clips for TikTok, Instagram, including YouTube. Creators need this so bad, and they'll pay monthly for it. Easy recurring income if you can get it. But here's where it gets actually exciting. Whatever you already know how to do, AI just amplifies it. Teacher, build courses way faster. Real estate agent, listings done in minutes. AI doesn't replace your brain. It just kills the bottlenecks, makes everything faster. So don't try to do everything at once. Pick one thing, writing, video repurposing, digital products on Etsy. Get good at it for like 2-3 weeks, whatever, and then level up. That's literally the whole playbook. Drop a comment if you want me to go deeper in any of these. Let's get it. Until next time.